every game we know that's coming to Google Stadia in 2020. What's going on, everyone? My name is Amel and welcome to the channel. If you're new here and you like the content, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also, I did a review video a few weeks back on a Google Stadia case that can fit your Chromecast and the controller and all the other little cables associated with it. So if that's something that you're interested in and looking for, make sure you check that review video out and also follow the Amazon link in the description where you can purchase it. Towards the end of this video, there will be a list of confirmed games that will be coming to Google Stadia without any release date, so make sure you guys stick around for that. The initial date for Orcs Must Die 3 is set to be sometimes in spring of 2020. There is no confirmed date, so as of right now, that's what we got and that's what we will go with. Doom Eternal looks to hit the Stadia platform in 2020. As of right now, the scheduled date of release is March 20th, which is not that far away. Get Packed is a Stadia exclusive, another game with an initial launch of 2020, but as of right now there is no confirmed date, so hopefully we hear something soon. Question for you guys, what's one game you can't wait to see or play on Google Stadia? Drop your answers in the comment section. If you are a Marvel geek, I'm happy to say that Marvel Avengers is set to come to Stadia on May 15th. Cyberpunk 2077 was supposed to be out in April, but got pushed back all the way to September 17. The developer said they need some more time to polish up the game. Me personally, I don't mind that at all as long as the game lives up to its hype. Watch Dogs Legion is a game I'm looking forward to personally to play. If you loved the other two installments, I'm sure this one will not disappoint and is set to be out on March 6th.